We've done it! Video 155, check this out. Look, our cursor, highlighting a tile. And if we zoom in a little bit, look at that, still highlighting the tile. Zoom in some more, oh god, everything's red. Well, let's go to smaller tile sizes. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Fucking beautiful. Let's look at the code before we end up going over time here. We've added the uniforms for the global tile x, global tile y, and the active tile size exponent. We have recreated the lookup table for tile size exponent to discrete units, and we've recreated it in the GPU shader code. We are in shader source fragment number 5 right now. We've been working on this code for a while. In the active tile highlight section is beneath camera stress feedback and above the cursor dot code. We need to recreate the tile map math. So we need to get the discrete unit span for the active tile, and then we take the x and y of our discrete sample point, divide by the discrete unit span to get the global tile x and global tile y. If the global tile x and global tile y matches the uniform tile x and tile y, then that means that the current pixel is within the tile in our editor, the active tile in our editor. So we will make it red, and then we will decrease the intensity on the other channels to make that red pop a little bit more. In the editor, for Eddy Game Editor, we have wired it up to the initial global tile size exponent. This is just for initialization to make sure that everything is correct upon startup. We fixed a bug here where we had a mix of upper and lowercase here, and then also we had a bug here where we had a mix of upper and lowercase here. What we did, oh no, this is where we fucked up because we were being idiots with the capital M. And here's what we did in this video. And you have been on this playlist here. You can get the source code here. You can email me here. You have been on video 155. Like and subscribe.